This is OnePlus Open 5G, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. So if you're experiencing issues or problems with receiving incoming phone calls, or to put it in other words, you simply do not receive the phone calls that you expect, first try to check whether your system is in the airplane or do not disturb mode. The easiest way to do that is to swipe downwards from the right half of your status bar, or top right half rather. Here, expand to the available controls and look for the airplane mode icon. Make sure that it is switched off, and the same goes for the do not disturb mode. Make sure that it is deactivated also, since both of those features prevent you and your phone from receiving any incoming phone calls. If that wasn't the case, you might want to launch your device's settings. Then here, enter the mobile network category, select the SIM card you're having those pesky issues with, and here try switching off the VoLTE calls as well as Wi-Fi calling features. Even though those two options are pretty useful and they are designed to use the internet connection to enhance your phone calls quality and to overall just improve the phone calls experience, under certain circumstances they may interfere with your ability to receive incoming phone calls to begin with, so it is worth trying switching them off and seeing if your issue persists or not. And the final troubleshooting step, or actually two steps that I will share with you today. First, try taking out the SIM card and wiping its contact site with cloth, like this one for example, and even better if you will dip your cloth that you will wipe your SIM card with in some kind of electronics friendly cleaning solution, or regular alcohol will do, ethanol will do just fine. And second advice, and the most, I guess, useful one, is that you contact your carrier or mobile network provider to see if the issue lays on their end, since most probably it does at this point, if you have already tried all the fixing or troubleshooting steps that I've mentioned previously in this video. And well, as far as this tutorial goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.